Hey, this is Ryan from AccuTune Offroad, and today I'd like to introduce you to our latest creation, Ride Shocks. I've been designing suspension products since 2001, and I've taken all that experience and knowledge and distilled it down here into Ride Shocks in order to make the best product possible. Inside these shocks, we really focused on three things, and the first one was designing for ride quality. The second one was designing for different weight bands. So if you modify your vehicle, we've got a shock that's specifically sprung and tuned for you. And then the third thing is our innovative high and low speed compression adjusters. So when designing for ride quality, we really wanted to focus on the shock's ability to always be smooth, be able to soak up washboard, razor chop, and still be able to go through the whoops. And so in order to do that, we had to design it into the product. And so you're gonna see we've got a much bigger hose than other shocks come with. And that bigger hose really helps us flow oil and prevent the shock from kind of hydrolocking and choking out at high velocities. Our piston also is super high flowing and linear, and it really helps us perform well and just soak up that rough terrain. And then our adjusters are also designed to flow that massive amount of oil, so everything inside the shock is balanced and designed to ride as well as possible. When it comes to the weight bands, we've taken our tuning to the next level, and we've kind of predefined where the common weight bands are, whether it's different vehicle generations or different levels of modification. We have a spring for you already, and then we've matched the tuning to that spring to your vehicle weight so that you can just give us a call, and we've already done the work and really spent time refining this package so that it's for what you're doing with it. When it comes to our compression adjusters, we really wanted to do something different. And so we wanted a linear compression adjuster so that you didn't get that preload. It can add a lot of uncomfortable feeling and digressive. And so we've got a linear adjuster, and some other linear adjusters don't have a large adjustment range. And so we really thought about how to design a linear adjuster that was really comfortable but had a large adjustment range to it. And that's what we've done here. So you've got your high and low speed adjustment. They work really well and they stay comfortable. One of the things we really wanted to do with Ride Shocks was be able to accommodate all the different vehicle generations and different levels of modifications that people do to their vehicle. And so what we have are tailored weight bands that have different main piston valving, different adjuster valving, and different springs that are specifically for what you're doing. And the result is the best riding shock you can get. With our adjuster, the first thing we wanted to focus on was making sure that it was going to ride well and not degrade from the ride quality we've achieved with the rest of the parts. And so that led us to doing a linear design so there's no preloaded shims in there. It's always comfortable. And then the second thing, we want to make sure that we had a good weight, good adjustment range so that if you load up with extra weight or you want to drive more aggressively, that you can make those adjustments and get the desired effect that you're looking for. Our adjuster has two pistons in it and is nicknamed the DPA Adjuster. It has a high and low speed adjustment. Those pistons are both linear and provide exceptional ride quality as well as a large adjustment range. We really wanted to make Ride Shocks a complete package, so we also focused on corrosion resistance and durability. For corrosion resistance, we've got an aluminum body, we've got hard chrome shafts, and for durability, we've got the latest seal materials and the latest seal designs, and that's why we're able to offer our 3-year, 50,000-mile warranty. Getting to develop Ride Shocks has been an absolute passion project of ours. We love off-roading, love suspension, love shock tuning and shock design, and we're really excited for you to get to experience what we've come out with here. Check us out online at rideshocks.com, check out our social media pages, and look forward to seeing you on the trail.